taking my hair and pinning it right there. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna be starting with the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, and I'm just gonna be taking this on a reusable little cotton round. And I'm gonna be prepping the skin. The Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, and I'm gonna use this all over the skin, and I'm just gonna put this straight into or onto my hand. I'm gonna rub it around and then pat it. Paula's Choice, this is the 20% treatment with the niacinamide. And then after that, I like to go in and moisturize my face, and I'm gonna use the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion with SPF 30. And then from there, I start my makeup process. And so for my everyday makeup, I like to keep everything simple. And right now I'm living really like dewy, glowy skin, and keeping the foundation pretty minimal. So right now I'm using the Illuminaire Concealing Mineral Foundation. And I don't put it everywhere, I just kind of put it where I feel it needs to go. And I start just by using my finger and really hitting any sort of troubled areas. This flat foundation brush, and just press everything into the skin to really even and blend everything out. I'll go in with a powder to set everything. I'm using the Airspun powder, the translucent extra coverage, and I'll just take product and place it into the lid like so. I'll take a sponge. Right now I'm using the Real Techniques, and I'll just dab product into the powder and set everything that we just kind of covered. And as you press it into the skin, it's gonna start to heat up, so it's gonna kind of really melt the product in there. And then along the T-zone area, we're gonna take some bronzer. I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is in the shade Light Bronze. And I'm just gonna take this and a fluffy brush. Again, this is just the It Cosmetics, and just gonna swirl it into the product here. put right under here and then kind of connect it with the little tip of my nose. I'll take it up along where the brow line starts and then along this part of the nose as well. So this is the Marc Jacobs Do You Dewdrops, and I believe it's the shade 50. It's their coconut gel. A little bit on the tip of the nose to really accentuate it. Take a little bit and tap it right here along the bridge of the nose. Along the top of the cheekbones. And we're just gonna pat all of the highlight in. For blush, I'm going to take the Tarteist Pro Glow and Blush palette right here. This is I believe it's the Benefit Give Me Brow, or the Benefit Give Me Brow, and I just brushed my brows. And then one of the last steps is to take mascara. This is the Benefit They're Real. We're gonna finish off with lips. So I'm using the Dior Lip Maximizer Hyaluronic Lip Plumper. So this is the final makeup look. This is my everyday makeup routine.